In the Lord I take refuge. How then can you say to me, flee like a bird to your mountain? For look, the wicked bend their bows. They set their arrows against the strange, to shoot from the shadows at the upright in heart. When the foundations are being destroyed, what can the righteous do? The Lord is in his holy temple. The Lord is on his heavenly throne. He observes the sons of men. His eyes examines them. The Lord examines the righteous, but the wicked and those who love violence his soul hates. On the wicked he will rain fury, coal, and burning sulfur. A scorching wind will be their lot. For the Lord is righteous. He loves justice. Upright men will see his face.
If you're not following Bible readings, you are probably never going to see us again. If you are, then congratulations, you are growing every day.